Today I will be assembling this Lasko fan, and this fan requires loads of tools to assemble. The first step is to assemble the base. To assemble the base, you just have to insert the rod into the base. Now I will insert the motor on top of the rod. The motor is now installed. There are two grills. The one with the Lasko logo is the one on the front. First we will install the one on the back. So this is the back grill, and these are the grooves that will go on top over there, onto these grooves. Next, I will tighten the back grill using this screw. To tighten this, you have to turn it clockwise, and make sure the ridden port is at the front. Make sure it's tightened properly. The next part is to put on the fan. To put in the fan, make sure to match these grooves. With the metal rod, two metal rods sticking out of this rod here. And then to tighten the fan, use this screw. Make sure the writing is at the front, and to tighten this, you have to turn it anti-clockwise. You can hold on to the fan to tighten the screw more. Make sure the screw is tightened. The fan part is now installed. Next, install the front grill. Make sure to make the logo be straight and facing forward. So these are the grooves at the back grill. And this part of the front grill will go under these grooves. Make sure the front grill is properly installed on all the grooves, and now the fan is assembled. To increase or decrease the height of the fan, you can loosen the screw by holding on to the bottom part and then turning the screw counterclockwise. Then you can move the upper rod to the height you desire. Then tighten the screw by turning it clockwise. So here's the lever to change the face of the fan up or down. To do that, just pull on the fan down to move it up. This is the lowest it can go, and this is the center. There are three different speeds, 3 being the fastest and 1 being the slowest, and this is used to rotate the fan by pressing it in. I'll be turning it on to the highest speed, which is speed 3, and I'll put a towel 6 feet away from it. Now I'm putting the fan on speed 2. Now I'll put it on the lowest speed, which is speed 1. Now I'll put the fan on rotate so you can see how far it rotates. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.